Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I will discuss about project. This is RFID card based door lock. In this system we use Arduino UNO board, MFRC 522 RFID reader module, and this is our servo motor SG90. We attach this PVC pipe. We use this strip with attached servo motor used for a barrier for door open and close. So now let's start work. First of all, we have two RFID card. Both of this card, one card we has accessible card. We enter this data according to this card, because this is our valid card and this is second is about invalid card. If we scan right card, then access Arduino and open the servo motor, so that door is open. If we use denied card, because this is a wrong, and in this condition this buzzer alarm is active and our servo motor is not move, it means door has closed. So let's start. First of all we use a active right card, scan, open motor, we delay 3 seconds. After 3 seconds servo motor on our right position. So this is our wrong card. If we scan this, then alarm active for 3 seconds, then also stop in normal condition. So this is our complete work, RFID based door lock system. Thanks for watching by 𝓃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬 Technologies. Thanks. Keep subscribe my channel for more interesting and informative video. Thank you.